Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome aboard the Strasburg Railroad. As we exit the Strasburg yard, you'll notice some little cabooses sitting in a grove of trees off to our left there. You may wonder what they're doing there. Well, that's the Caboose Motel. One of the very few places in the world where you can spend the night in a real caboose. Now, further in the distance with the corn up, you can see the American flag and just the top of the cupola of the Toy Train Collectors Museum of America. Little TCA museum houses toy trains. With all shapes, colors, and sizes from the 1850s through today, and some of the trains are featuring fine, fantastic operating layouts. Fairview Crossing is next. Fairview. Over which you're traveling today is one of the oldest railroad highways in the entire world. It was given to the Strasburg Railroad Company by Pennsylvania legislation in January 1832.
So the bottom was not for